Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the picture mode. So, at first you have to press this button at the bottom, here. And as you can see here we have our menu. We have to go to the right to the settings, click on the settings, and here we have to enter the settings again. Now we have to wait a moment, and here we have the picture. We have to go to the right and select mode. We have to click on it, and here now we have Vivid, Standard, Auto Power Save, Cinema, Sports, Game Optimizer, Expert. As you can see, to switch we just have to click. I will set Standard. Now we can go back. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.